Hello everyone, welcome to the official channel of agriquiz.in. Here is the solution of 10th test of agronomy. Subscribe our channel to get more videos. Please like and share this video so we get motivated to make new videos. Let's start the solution. Question number 1. Gypsum is commonly used for reclamation of saline soil, sodic soil, acidic soil, or all of these. The correct answer is sodic soil. Gypsum is commonly used for reclamation of sodic soil. Question number 2. Unit of measuring electrical conductivity is microgram per square meter, angstrom per centimeter, millimhos per centimeter. None of these. The correct answer is millimhos per centimeter. Unit of measuring electrical conductivity is millimhos per centimeter. Question number 3. Which of the following soil control measure is mechanical measure? Stubble cropping, green manuring, strip cropping, or basin listing? The correct answer is basin listing. It is the soil control measure. It is a mechanical soil control measure. Question number 4. Soil erosion of mostly affected by rainfall intensity, rainfall variability, rainfall erosivity, or total annual rainfall. The correct answer is rainfall intensity. Soil erosion of mostly affected by rainfall intensity. Question number 5. Tillage is most important to crop production because it destroys soil structure, prepares a good seed bed, improved soil color, or increase the acidity of the soil. The correct answer is prepare a good seed bed. Tillage is most important to crop production because it prepares a good seed bed. Question number 6. A green manure crop would lower water penetration, decrease aeration, increase nitrogen content, or none of the above. The correct answer is increase nitrogen content. A green manure crop would increase nitrogen content. Question number 7. Microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi are useful in the soil because they are fed by plant, remove carbon dioxide, increase pore space, or decay organic matter. The correct answer is decay organic matter. Microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi are useful in the soil because they decay organic matter. Question number 8. Intercultural operations are meant for rogging, destroying weeds, thinning, or maintaining plant stand. Correct answer is destroying weeds. Interculture operations are meant for destroying weeds. Question number 9. The main objective of intercultivation is to conserve soil moisture, increase aeration, control weeds, or increase water holding capacity. The correct answer is control weeds. The main objective of intercultivation is to control weeds. Question number 10. Which of the following developments has helped in the success of zero tillage? Insecticides, herbicides, fungicides, or soil amendment? The correct answer is herbicides. Herbicides developments has helped in the success of zero tillage. Question number 11. The difference between photosynthesis and respiration, which is referred as crop growth rate, net assimilation, relative growth rate, or none of the above. The correct answer is net assimilation. The difference between photosynthesis and respiration, which is referred as net assimilation. Question number 12. The optimum temperature range for germination of most seeds is which degree centigrade? 20 to 25 degree, 15 to 30 degree, 25 to 30 degree, or none of above? The correct answer is 15 to 30 degrees centigrade. The optimum temperature ranges for germination of most seeds is 15 to 30 degrees centigrade. Question number 13. A fraction of biological yield which is useful to mankind is known as biological yield, harvest index, economical yield, or grain yield. The correct answer is economical yield. A fraction of biological yield which is useful to mankind is known as economic yield. Question number 14. Inverse yield nitrogen law proposed by Wilcox, von Liebig, Blackman, or Mitscherlich. The correct answer is Wilcox. Inverse yield nitrogen law proposed by Wilcox. Question number 15. What is the cheaper and long lasting source of carbon dioxide? Dry ice, CaCO3, water, or organic matter? The correct answer is dry ice. Dry ice is the cheapest and long lasting source of carbon dioxide. Question number 16. In a situation with different levels of plant population, where the seeds per inflorescence and size of seeds are more, resulting in higher yield. Low population density, moderately dense stands, extreme dense stands, or none of the above. The correct answer is moderately dense stands. It is a situation with different levels of plant population where the seeds per inflorescence and size of seeds are more, resulting in higher yield. It is moderately dense stands. Question number 17. Plant lose about how many percent of the absorbed water just to maintain the optimum temperature? 65, 75, 80, or 70? The correct answer is 65. Plant lose about 65% of the absorbed water just to maintain optimum temperature. Question number 18. Bowl unit indicate the amount of nutrient that when added result in moving yield. What way closure? Which way closure to maximum possible yield? One half, one third, one fourth, or none? The correct answer is one half. Bowl unit indicate the amount of nutrient that when added result in moving yield one halfway closure to maximum possible yield. Question number 19. Leaf orientation angle exceeds 60-degree intercept maximum sunlight is known as erectophile, planophile, plagiophile, or both A and B. The correct answer is erectophile. Leaf orientation angle exceeds 60-degree intercepts maximum sunlight is known as erectophile. Question number 20. Which is one factor under which many environment is limiting and cannot be supplied artificially to the crop? Nutrient, water, CO2, or solar radiation? Correct answer is solar radiation. Solar radiation is one factor under which many environment is limiting and cannot be supplied artificially to the crop. Question number 21. The organic matter contained in arid sandy soils is how many percent? More than 1%, less than 1%, more than 2%, or 1 to 2? The correct answer is less than 1%. The organic matter in arid sandy soils is less than 1%. Question number 22. High temperature influence. High temperature influence sex ratio in flower in which crop? Maize, castor, permillet, or cotton? The correct answer is castor. High temperature influence X ratio in flower in castor crop. Question number 23. Expansion of the leaf blades is maximum in which portion of the spectrum? Orange red, blue violet, infrared, or ultraviolet? The correct answer is blue violet. Expansion of the leaf blade is maximum in blue violet portion of the spectrum. Question number 24. Relative humidity and wind velocity are interrelated and have which relationship? Negative, positive, antagonistic, or none of the above? The correct answer is negative. Relative humidity and wind velocity are interrelated and have negative relationship. Question number 25. What is the main constituent of the protoplasm comprising up to about how many percent of its total weight? 80 to 85, 90 to 95, 70 to 75, or 60 to 60, 60 to 70? The correct answer is 90 to 95%. Water is main constituent of the protoplasm comprising up to about 90 to 95% of its total weight. Thanks everyone to watching this video. Please comment your suggestions and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.